Alright guys, what I have here is the side view mirrors that I'm trying to replace on my truck. These are the donor ones. These came off of a 2017 Ram Sport. The skull caps are painted PAU granite crystal metallic. What I have on mine is a Laramie with chrome, and I bought a cheap Amazon cover, which is okay, but the problem with it is it's on there over the top with just adhesive tape, and it sucks. If it scratches, easy because it's not painted, it's just polished. What I was gonna do is I was gonna change them out. I was gonna put the donor ones onto my truck. The problem I came up with is that the wiring doesn't match. I'm not sure what his truck had or didn't have, and mine does have. Excuse me for a second. On his, he only has 2 wires on this white clip. There's 2 clips. There's a black one and a white one. His only has 2 wires. Mine has 4. Mine has more. What I ended up doing, not knowing what his didn't have and mine did, or maybe it's just a design or something, I'm not sure. All I did was I took apart the cap. So in order to do that, you tilt this mirror all the way down. When you do that, you apply pressure evenly on the plastic parts and you pull. When you pull, you got to jiggle and lift up. It's got 2 little hinge clips there. They go inside, and you got to pull back and then lift and jiggle out to get this little socket cam to release. Now, I've seen a couple videos on YouTube, and some of them have a different design, and I thought they were all the same, but they're not. Mine has this little square cam looking thing with a square outlet. I'll show you mine. So the wires here look exactly the same as the other one, but if you look at this compared to the other one, it's totally different. This is what the donor one looked like. So this is square, this is round here and around there. Now the video I saw online showed the guy sticking a screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, between what this is here and this, and turning it to pry it off, which is great. That would have worked on this had I not just yanked the crap out of it. But his doesn't have that, and you end up doing that. Pardon my mess. You end up doing that, and you'll mess up this cam up here, and this cam will want to come off. You don't want to do that. Once that's done, there are 3 screws. There's this one there, that one there, and one up there, and those go on and come off with a Torx head. Let me tell you which one it is. A T20 Torx head, and they don't need to be torqued down hard or anything, but this is what you're looking at. So you've got that, and that one up there, and once that comes off, you kind of jiggle and pull, and you drop this down. When you drop this down, it's going to be hanging. It's not going to let you take it all the way out because this light has to come off. So when that light comes off, when you look at it, you think, okay, it won't come off. But what you got to do is the actual release clip to take off that puddle light and turn signal light is on the back side facing the cover. So you have to kind of let it hang, and then using needle nose, I held the harness in place, and then I grabbed a small screwdriver and kind of lifted up on that clip and then pulled down, and that seemed to do the trick. That's all I got. I just didn't see anybody offering any help on these. So this is basically it right there. So this is the light comes like this. You got to pull back on this part and lift up on the harness to get it out. It's pretty easy once you kind of mess with it. So this is the light, what it looks like, and this is the clip in the release area. There it is. Hope this helps, guys.